What are the best large format printers right now? It's a big question, but today we have some answers. We have got 6 honorable mentions, and we've prepared these lists according to price, performance, battery life, and more. Stay tuned till the end of the video, as it is not mentioned in the exact order. For more information and the latest prices, refer to the description below. Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 300. While this large format printer is not necessarily the top one on the market, it does offer excellent value for money, and most photographers will only be able to see the differences in print quality with other models that are higher end and more expensive. The Prograf is a 13-inch pigment-based large format ink printer. The regular paper feed tray is on the top, while it has a second slot for high-quality, heavier paper. It doesn't support roll papers though, just document and photo printing sheets. The Canon software is very easy to use and allows about 5 printing qualities from fastest to slowest. The highest qualities print pretty slowly, taking about 6 to 10 minutes to print an A3+. Such a slow print speed shouldn't be an issue if you have it for personal use, but it may become a problem for high volume printing. This isn't the best large format printer. With the Canon software, you can also do proof sheets that prints the images with various tones so you can fine-tune the output. There are no margin restrictions on any sizes, and it also allows you to print a custom size with a maximum of 39 inches pages length for panoramas. In general, the Prograf Pro 300 is quite easy to set up and use as well. You can also connect via Wi-Fi prints from your phone or tablet. It's also compact and lights with a color screen to see the ink levels, quick guides on paper feeds, etc. These features make it great as a first large format printer for beginners and/or home-based photographers. Epson SureColor SC P900. The Epson SureColor P900 is a 17-inch printer. Despite being able to produce large print, it still has a compact design. However, you'll need quite a bit of functional space at the front and back of the printer. You'll need space to open the regular output tray. On a second slot, you can feed thicker paper, even poster board, which will go out from the back so you can't have it against a wall. Because it's designed for portability, it feels less sturdy than other printers of this format. But according to hundreds of satisfied customers, it holds up well as a day-to-day printer. It works with 10 pigment-based ink cartridges. 2 of them are black. There's almost no waste on the cartridge, and the nozzles allow 3 different sizes of dots per line, which reduces graininess. The print quality is excellent, especially for black and white photographs, and allows borderless printing on a wide range of sizes. The Epson software is free and straightforward. Also, the handling and setup are pretty easy, which makes it an excellent printer for beginners. A color touchscreen on the front allows you to see a preview of the printing. Also, you can lift the lid and turn on the internal light to see the printing as it happens. You can connect it to wired networks via Ethernet and USB or wirelessly. It also prints on DVD and small format papers to make greeting cards and other special sizes. Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 1000. Like Canon's L-series camera lenses, the Pro 1000 printer has a red line denoting top-grade quality, this time based on a no less than 12 pigments-based Lucia Pro ink cartridge. By comparison, the smaller Pro 300 runs on 10 ink, and both models include a chroma optimizer in the lineup, which helps to apply a smooth top coating when printing on glossy photo paper to minimize bronzing and gloss differential. Even so, the printer achieves its highest quality with matte and fine art media, with magnificent color and mono output. That said, really rich, deep blacks are marginally better than the Pro 300, reformulated matte black ink. Large format A2 17 by 22 inch prints are certainly imposing. You can create panoramic prints of up to 1.2 m in length, although there's no optional roll feeder. Hence, you have to cut the paper to length manually in advance. Epson Expression Photo HD XP 15000. For professional photographers, the quality of ink matters. 2 of this Epson's 6 high-definition cartridges are red and gray, which allow it to produce a unique range and depth of color, which is why it's the best pick for large format printers for photographers. The color output is incredible. Even though the print speed is slower because of its focus on quality, The printer's speedy processors responds quickly to print requests, even when submitted wirelessly. You can also automate high-volume jobs on specialty media with a dedicated 50-sheet rear tray. The tray even works for printings on thick cardstocks. The maximum width is H13 inches borderless, and you can print on media up to 44 inches long. This model is also surprisingly compact for a photo printer, up to 30% smaller than comparable A3 printer. The best portable printer is similar. You can buy more batteries to switch them out while on the go. You can easily bring your photos to life with 5760 by 1440 high-definition print resolution and ink on the Epson Expression Photo HD. Red and gray ink cartridges achieve a wide color gamut, producing true-to-life color in your photo prints. Epson SureColor T3170X. The Epson SureColor T3170X 24-inch desktop printer is a top-of-the-line large-format printer designed to produce stunning and vibrant prints. Its cutting-edge features make it the best large-format printer on the market. With its extra-large ink cartridges, the T3170X can handle even the largest printing jobs with ease. It also boasts a high-resolution printing capability of up to 2400 by 1200 dpi, ensuring that every detail in your image is captured with precision and clarity. One of the most impressive features of this printer is its compact size, making it ideal for small workspaces or home offices. Despite its compact design, the T3170X is capable of printing up to 24 inches wide, making it perfect for printing large posters, banners, and other marketing materials. The T3170X is also incredibly versatile, supporting a wide range of media types, including plain paper, matte paper, glossy paper, and even vinyl. And with its advanced connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and USB, you can easily connect and print from virtually any device. As such, the Epson SureColor T3170X 24-inch desktop printer is the best large-format printer for anyone looking for a reliable and high-quality printing solution. Canon Pro 4100. The Canon Pro 4100 44-wide format fine art printer is a professional-grade printing solution that produces stunning, gallery-quality prints. Its advanced features make it an excellent choice for photographers, artists, and graphic designers. With a maximum printing resolution of 2400 by 1200 dpi, the Pro 4100 can produce incredibly sharp and detailed prints, making it perfect for fine art printing. It also boasts a 12-color Lucia Pro Ink system, which delivers a wide gamut of colors and ensures that your prints are accurate and vibrant. The Pro 4100 is also incredibly versatile, supporting various media types, including glossy, matte, and fine art papers. And with its advanced connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB, you can easily connect and print from various devices. And the Canon Pro 4100 44-wide format fine art printer is a top-of-the-line printing solution that delivers exceptional quality, versatility, and performance. It's an excellent choice for producing high-quality, gallery-ready prints. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.